Hello and welcome. My name is Jason Fults and I'm an adult education instructor here at Santa Fe College. I know that for some of you, this may be your first time taking a class with some online components. So I wanted to offer a quick tutorial on how to access your class on Canvas, the software that Santa Fe uses for most of our online classes. You can think of Canvas as a classroom that lives on the internet. Depending on your class, your teacher may use Canvas to share announcements with students, provide links to important readings and other assignments, and post videos and other resources that you might find useful. In order to be successful in your online class, you should plan to log on to Canvas at least a few times per week. To access your class's Canvas, we'll start by visiting www.sfcollege.edu. From there, you can click on the Canvas link in the top left corner of the web page. Once you click on that link, you'll be asked to sign in. The good news is that you use your same Santa Fe ID and password that you use to access eSanta Fe, your Santa Fe email, and your Zoom account, so you don't have to remember additional usernames and passwords. If you forget your username or password, you can use the Forgot Password link. If you need help, your instructor can walk you through the process, or if your instructor isn't available, you can contact the help desk for assistance. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Canvas dashboard. Here you'll see general announcements, such as course invitations, at the very top. You can dismiss these once you've read them. Below where it says Dashboard, you'll see a square icon for each class that you're enrolled in. In addition to your classes, this is also where you'll find your college-required trainings, such as the COVID safety course. Next, click on the icon for the class that you want to visit. This will bring you to that class's homepage. This is where all of the most important information for your class, such as your instructor's contact information, class meeting times, and a class syllabus, will generally be found. You'll notice that along the left side of the homepage, there are numerous options available that you can click on. While every class is different and may have different options available to you, for my classes at least, there are a few options that you will always see. I'll cover a few of the most important ones here. The announcements link is where I post messages to the entire class, including recordings of recent classes and any important resources or information that I think you might find valuable. To read any announcement, just click on it. Next is the modules link. This link brings you to a page with a list of all the different topics that we're covering in class. You can always visit this link to find the topic that we're currently working on, or even to go back and review a topic that we've already worked on. If at any point you'd like to get back to the home page for our class, just click on Home. And lastly, you can click on the People link for a list of the people, both students and instructors, who are in your class. By clicking on someone's name, you then have the option to send them a message via Canvas. So these are some of the basics to get you started with Canvas. If you want to go more in depth, visit the Canvas 101 for Students link for an online class that focuses just on that. I hope that this little tutorial has been helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me or any of your other instructors. Thanks for watching.